Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to swap columns in Excel. In the first method, you have to select the entire column that you want to swap. Suppose in this case I'm going to select column A. Now that column A is selected, all the data in it has been selected as well. You'd like to press Ctrl plus X. Then you have to place it, suppose you want to place it before column D. Then you select column D, then right click and click on Insert Cut Cells. Now that you select it, all the data in column A has been replaced into column C. Now that we have done the first method, let's move on to the second method. In this method, suppose I want to move all the data in column A, which is full name, before column D. Now that I have selected all the data in column A, I would prefer that you press Shift and then when the cursor shows arrows, select on the green line over here. Now you have to move it directly before column D. Now that the green line is showing before column D, you release it and then you see the full name dataset has been moved to column C. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.